everyone, Matt Harris here. Welcome back for another shop update of a few things we've been working on this week. Starting out with some custom forging dies that we're forging out of 3.5-inch round H13. They are down here in the ashes annealing, but long story short, this die will get machined. It's going to get cut in half to be a V-shaped finial die. Over here we have a pile of fence parts that are getting ready to have custom finials forged on them for a large fencing project. They will also all get hammered and textured. And in here in the main shop, we've made significant progress on our Motto stringer modern staircase. All the parts are cut, and we're getting ready to do the final assembly on this. These are the tread plates, the wood tread that will mount on top of these, and these get welded to the stringer. My dad, Ron, has been working faithfully on our Havre de Grace decoy museum project, and these are canvas back ducts that are in progress. He did all the forming on the bodies as well as the wings, and we are almost ready for final assembly, adding the wings to the bodies. Over here we have our custom sink stand that we have been knocking out for a friend. It features these beautiful forged dogwood flowers, some really cool dragonflies, and has two little side wood shelves incorporated in. Really cool old wash tub. We've also made a lot of progress on our custom copper hood. All of the sheets of copper have been meticulously cut and fitted to wrap this hood, and we will begin riveting on very soon. And as I told you last time, our stainless steel sculpture, memorial sculpture, has left the studio. It's at the finishers, and there should be some really awesome video footage coming out very soon of us installing that. So stay tuned, and thank you for watching and subscribing.